How to add effects to the entire video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. To apply effects to the whole page, you need to use an adjustment layer because directly applying effects on clips one by one can be time consuming. Next, head to the effects library on the top left and look for adjustment clip under the effects section. Drag and drop this adjustment clip onto a new track above all your video clips, making sure it covers the entire length of your video timeline. After placing the adjustment clip, go back to the effects library and select the Open Effects tab. Here you can choose from various effects like blur, glow, color correction, and more. Drag your desired effect from Open Effects onto the adjustment clip. This will apply the effect to the entire video below it. Since the adjustment clip overlays all clips in the timeline, you can customize the effect settings in the inspector panel to get the exact look you want. For example, increase the blur amount or adjust the color parameters to enhance your video. Once you are satisfied with the effects, play back your timeline to see how the entire video looks with the applied effect. And that's it. Now you know how to add effects to the entire video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.